Einstein stated that light speed is the universe's fastest, around 300,000 kilometers. At this speed, time itself halts. If you were to journey through the vastness of space at the velocity of light, and if today you are precisely 30 years of age, even if you were to circumnavigate the entire universe, your age would not increase by even a single second. Your age would remain precisely the same. But only light is capable of traveling at this incredible speed. Any other object that possesses even a small amount of mass, meaning weight, can never travel at this velocity. This is due to the fact that as an object accelerates, its mass, or weight, increases, and it necessitates an infinite amount of energy, or boundless energy, to propel it forward. So, my friends, this is precisely why only light, which possesses no mass whatsoever, does not necessitate infinite energy, and for this very reason it is capable of traveling at this extraordinary speed. For anything else, it is utterly impossible. The genuine effect of time dilation becomes apparent at 80% of the speed of light. At such a velocity, if you are journeying through the cosmos and need to visit an extraterrestrial being on Trappist 1, which is situated 40 light years away, by the time you reach there, 50 years will have elapsed on Earth. Nevertheless, owing to traveling at 80% of the speed of light, merely 30 years will have elapsed on your spacecraft. Nevertheless, as you persist in accelerating your velocity and eventually attain 99% of the speed of light, by the time you journey to Trappist 1, rather than aging 40 years, you will merely age approximately 5 years, 8 months, and 11 days. The nearer you get to the speed of light, time dilation will manifest itself in a truly dramatic manner. Let us comprehend this with an additional example. Imagine you are in possession of a spacecraft that travels with a steady and unchanging acceleration, meaning it moves with a continuous and constant acceleration of 1g. In this particular situation, its velocity increases by 10 meters per second each second, and if in the vacuum of space it continues to increase its speed every single second without encountering any form of friction, in merely a few days it will attain 99% of the speed of light, and subsequently 99.99%, and if it persists further, it might reach 99.9999%. Although in a physical sense it is impossible for anyone to achieve such a velocity, here we are assuming it hypothetically. Even after journeying with a continuous and unwavering acceleration, this spacecraft will never be capable of attaining 100% of the speed of light, but it will persist in traveling exceedingly close to it. In such a situation, the time dilation effect on this spacecraft will be extraordinarily hazardous. At 99.99% of the speed of light, your age will merely increase by 7 months. At 99.999% of the speed of light, you will only observe a difference of 21 days. This means that upon your arrival, merely 21 days will have elapsed on your calendar, whereas 40 years will have passed on Earth. The nearer you approach the speed of light, the more pronounced the effect of time dilation becomes. However, while seated on the spaceship, you will not perceive anything unusual. In just 21 days, you will reach your destination, and upon your return, you will arrive back on Earth after a total of 42 days. You will perceive everything as entirely normal, yet upon your return to Earth, you will come to the realization that during just a month and a half of space travel, a total of 80 years have elapsed. Friends who were once of the same age as you are now over 100 years old, while you remain at the age of 30. The phenomenon of time dilation is indeed astonishing.